Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So, today I am back with you to share some watercolor experiences I got while painting this foggy view. The colors I'm using are Prussian blue, burnt sienna, and titanium white. First of all, with the help of any brush, you just have to wet this whole paper thing. And then I'm doing some underpainting by mixing Prussian blue with burnt sienna because it gives a beautiful shade of grey. Also, I'm leaving some white part deliberately so that the whitest part of mist remains intact, and in the rest of the area you just need to pull down the pigment. For the background trees, you just have to make simple and small tree-like structures. And yes, do keep in mind that they don't have to be perfect, because in the misty background we cannot see the trees properly, so it's all about observation we get from the reference picture. And the basic tip that I can give you is that first paint a tree and then wet the brush, dry it a bit, and make some strokes downwards. This is done to blend the trees in the background. Watercolors are like completely new medium for me, but I keep on taking some breaks from acrylics in between, because when I go back to my acrylics, they turn out to be more promising, and at the same time I learn to manage a completely foreign medium like watercolors. So if you are a beginner, I would suggest you all to go with a single medium first, either watercolor or acrylics, in whichever you are more comfortable, or whichever the color you have. And if you are new to watercolors like me, then you can start with this view because it's easy to make. Now we are moving on to the foreground trees. There will be a different values of colors varying from grey trees to some greenish trees, depending on the range we can see in the misty region. And yes, don't forget, first paint a tree, wet the brush, dry it a bit, make some strokes downwards. This is done to blend the trees in the background. And this is almost done. So this is what I have learned till now, and whatever I have learned, I have shared it with you guys. So till then, take care and keep your hobby alive. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you paint this. Thanks for watching.